Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to remove profile picture on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, tap on three dots from the top right corner. Go to Settings. Tap on your profile. Then tap on the camera icon. You will see the delete option from the menu, tap on it. Now from the pop-up menu, tap on Remove. And you will remove your profile picture on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to remove picture on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.